Hey guys, so today I'm going to walk you through a trade that I took using Axiom Pro, which by the way, you have to use. By the way, it's not financial advice and you should do your own research, but I've used Bullx, Photon, Neo, all the platforms, and Axiom Pro is the best because you get money back on every trade, whether you win or lose, right? So a new strategy that I developed on myself, and by the way, no strategy is a good strategy, right? Everything is a learning experience, and when you lose, don't be depressed. It's not the end. Everything's going to be okay, I promise. Think about it like a tuition fee. It's like you're paying to go to school, right? Like Winston Churchill said, success is failing without the loss of motivation. Don't become discouraged. Don't lose your motivation. Use everything as a tool to get better, right? So what I did was I bought at an incredibly low market cap of $4,000. I actually filtered my trade so you can see over here. I bought it at 4K market cap. And within a minute, you can see I'm on a 1 second candle, all right? I bought over here, 1274, and I sold over here at 39.02, and I profited $26.29. Now, the reason why it's incredibly good to buy at such a low market cap on a good coin, because 99.9% of coins don't even have volume, right? Enough volume to even get something. And by the time they do, they're probably rugging, right? But the reason why it's better than buying in at 15,000 market cap is because if you buy in at 15,000 market cap and the coin goes to $4,000, you lost all your money, right? But if you buy in at the lowest possible point, right, you're buying on the news, right? Within a few seconds, your coin could 3x, right? In my case, it went from 4,000 to 12,000 market cap within less than a minute, right? And if the coin was to rug, I would have lost at most 5 to 10%. Because I bought it at the bottom, right? You can even see now that the coin is rugged and there's literally zero volume on it, right? 0 5-minute volume. It went to 3.74 thousand, and I bought it at 3.89. You would have lost 7%, 8%, right? So something that could be good for you if you're not doing good on trades is to buy incredibly early on a good coin and wait until it goes up a little bit, even if you 2x your money, right? Buying at 4, clip it at 8, right? Instant trade, full clip at 8, right? 2x your money within, could be a few seconds, right? The reality is on these coins, if you're in for more than a minute, if it's not a good volume trade, you're not going to make money anyways. So get out as soon as possible. And a rule that I have is whenever I'm out of a trade, I never go back in, right? Because the profits that I made, I can very surely lose them. So what's the point of going back into a trade if you can lose your money? Take your W and get out. Please smash the like button, the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it if you use my link in the description. And I wish you guys nothing but the best.